checking the concerns, please listen to the role play.
Is very important. This is the point which you need.
All the recalls before the exam, almost no one answered correctly. Learn the patient safety, learn the applied clinical knowledge.
A piece of advice, just be confident, believe in yourself.
Less information is fine, but just use a lot of common sense.
Trust yourself, you can do it.
And stay confident in your examination.
Read the instructions carefully.
Be natural.
I'm thankful to all of you for all the support and love for conducting a wonderful mock exam today.